Thank you. I'm Hugo. I represent No Hacks. No Hacks is a hackathon that we organize with the Knowledge Graph Conference and the U.S. National Science Foundation every year, or a few times a year. Yeah. So I think there's different people participating in a hackathon. There's participants. For participants, it's about showing what they can do and learning their skills, leveraging knowledge graphs. Usually they come from software development or implementation or consulting, and they want to use the technology to discover it and see how they can implement different use cases within their companies. There's different levels of participants. You can be either in a company and kind of a mentor on a hackathon with a light touch 1 hour, 3 hour participation, or you can be a full-on participant with a 2-week participation, usually mostly students. And then other things that we do in hackathons is to bring people together. So you can find partners if you're a vendor, you can find implementers, or you can find testers if you're a startup. You can create your team if you're a founder. So there's really a lot of things we do in parallel with a program called Seureau at the NSF. So we give some visibility to founders and startup, and we're becoming an incubator.
Where's it headed?
Future, I call it AI knowledge. I think what we're doing at the hackathon at NoHacks is supporting US NSF research teams who are with one of their programs called the Proto Open Knowledge Network. They're developing the future of knowledge graphs. Their research teams are working have been working since 2023 on this project, and it's going to be finished in 2026. And we're at the stage where the knowledge graphs are being developed. So all these knowledge graphs are going to be open access and be leveraged by most of the search tools existing today. And that is partly the future of AI. That is how knowledge graphs are how companies can take an LLM and adapt it to their company knowledge or industry knowledge. So it's a huge potential that very few people know about. So thank you. Well, it's called No Hacks, so you can see nohacks.com, KNOWHAX. You can also join as a mentor directly at app.nohacks.com and join the resource groups and the community that we're funding there. And there's new kind of chapters geographically and by stage of the life cycle of knowledge graph there. Well, thank you so much for talking and with us at the conference here. This is an amazing setting. I invite you to join us next year. It's amazing in the middle of New York.